What's good? What is good, my sizers? We're back again with another video, and today we are touring the Paris Casino and Hotel. So when you walk into the Paris, you're going to want to go left, because if you go right, you're going to walk right into Bally's. So on the left, you will find the Convention Center and Napoleon's Lounge. Napoleon's Lounge is a piano bar, and they are only open Friday and Saturday from 6 p.m. to 2 a.m. Also, I just want to include that parking at Paris is not free, and the starting rate is $12 per hour. Okay, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, when you walk into the Paris, it's like walking down a really long hallway for a really long time, but then it opens up into the gaming floor. So in between that hallways intersection, you have perfumes, jewelry stores, and a restaurant called La Pizza, and I'm not even gonna pronounce that, but they also sell crepes here, and my mom and I actually ate here, and they have really good crepes, but if you've been there before, their portions have shrunk. Also, Martha Stewart is coming with a new restaurant, so be sure to keep on the lookout for that. The signs didn't give an exact date, but just that it was Martha Stewart's restaurant. Also, Bobby Flay's Burgers are also being built there, and if you go down this hallway, it's right across the way from Bobby Flay's Burgers, but if you go down that hallway, it takes you to the wedding chapels and to the other rooms. There's also like a little mini mart right there, and then here's another bakery. The Paris has a lot of bakeries, so once you've exited the hallway, you are opening up to the gaming area. As you can see there are a bunch of table games and slot machines, and there was a bar to the right. And this is the reception area. So this is where you go to like check into your hotel room and stuff. Next to that on the right is another little coffee shop. It's called Brioche by Guy. Yeah. Also in the back of Paris, I found this beautiful stage. I do know what it's called, but it's in French and I can't speak that. So I'm not going to pronounce it or butcher it, but just look at the staging. It's absolutely gorgeous. As you can see on the left, there was part of the sign there. I don't know what type of shows they host there. Because there's no signs for anything. You literally just walk and it's an open stage to the left. Also, rumor has it Chateau and Alexa's is like the best of the best on the strip, especially at Paris. So you can make reservations for that. I know for a fact that Alexa's, you can request, if you make reservations early enough, you can request to be sat outside and have a nice view. Same for Monime Gabby. Also, don't be alarmed, but on the gaming floor, you will see like rods and basically the base of the Eiffel Tower, like just on the gaming floor, because, well, obviously. Also, there was this really cute bridge that takes you to towards the top of the deck to go see the Eiffel Tower, I guess. And they do have a sports book. It's next to Monami Gabby's, and it's kind of hidden in the back, but it's next to it on the right side. So just look out for that. And if you miss that entrance to the sports bar, don't worry, because they actually have an actual entrance for the sports bar itself that leads you into the sports book. This is the Carlo's Bake Shop machine. They're all over the strip. If you don't remember how to use them, I posted a TikTok about it, and they are in my other videos that have this machine. So like the Harrah's, the Outlet Mall, stuff like that. Also, this is the escalator that takes you to the Eiffel Tower viewing deck, and don't worry, because they also have elevators too, and then they have an elevator on the opposite side that you can walk across that bridge I showed you earlier, but it is relatively close to the Gustave's bar. This is where the Eiffel Tower restaurant is. It is open just for dinner, I believe, and that's the elevator that you use to get to the restaurant itself. They do also have like high limits, but for tables, I don't really know what you call those. They have a Gordon Ramsay's steak restaurant, and they do have a few photo opportunities in this hotel, considering it is called the Paris, but I thought that one was my favorite, and it's like super cute, I just liked it a lot. So it's next to the Gordon Ramsay steak, and then on the right of the Gordon Ramsay steak right there is where the high limit slot machines are. Also, they have a restaurant called Cafe Americano, and that smelt good, looked good, and stayed busy. So I highly recommend it, and I haven't even eaten there. Also, they have this bar, and honestly, the bar was my favorite because of the chandeliers alone. But that's all the time I have for you guys today. Toodles!